Hey everybody, Mike, Mountain Weekly News. I am here with the Engwe X Series e-bikes. This is the X26 and X24. Basically identical bikes. The one thing that changes is the 26-inch tire size and the 24-inch tire size. So far out pedaling these bikes, very, very smooth, very efficient. 1,000-watt motor with a 1,200-watt peak output. One of the cool things, this bike's already built for somebody to sit on the back, so you can have your rider here as well as your passenger. Because you've got all this weight, it's got triple suspension. So you have rear suspension, coil suspension like we've seen before. You have a shock here right in the middle of the bike, as well as your front suspension. So this really helps dampen up the ride. Again, this is the Engwe X Series, X26 and X24. Very, very smooth, efficient. It has a left-hand thumb throttle and just fun to ride. I think our top speed was between about 28 and 31 miles an hour. So if you're looking for a smooth, efficient e-bike to ride, a commuter bike, this thing gets up to about 60 miles on a full battery. The Engwe X24 and Engwe X26.